Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I am going to Taipei with Bay. Today we are going to Taipei through the local bus. We are gonna board it till Taichung from Yunlin. Then from there we are gonna change the bus and go reach Taipei. So there is a well-planned itinerary for today. Let's see how it goes. So now we have reached Taichung. From here we are gonna change our bus and go towards
India.
Taipei. Now we have changed the bus and we are gonna move towards Taipei. As you guys can see, they're teaching us how to make momos on the bus. Hello guys, so now we have reached the bus station. Now it is a 3 to 4 story building. Now from here we are going out. We will grab some U-bike and we'll move towards Memorial Hall. हम किधर आ गए?
भाई जाने का रास्ता बाहर जाने का रास्ता ही नहीं है।
बस स्टेशन तो आ गए, 3-4 फ्लोर से ऊपर आ रहे हैं, रास्ता ही नहीं मिल रहा। कॉम्प्लेक्स क्यों है? क्योंकि 4 फ्लोर हम ऊपर गए, फिर 4 फ्लोर नीचे है, पर एग्जिट मिला।
अभी नहीं मिला।
एग्जिट कैसे ढूंढेंगे हम?
अभी लेडीज रेस्टरूम में अपने आप एग्जिट करेंगे मुझे। बेटा आप बाहर जाओ।
So guys, now we have successfully made it out. Now we are going to Qing Yang Memorial Hall.
China.
ठंड ढूंढ रहे थे, यहाँ तो बहुत गर्मी है। ये क्या हुआ? Now we have just dropped our U-bikes and this is the entrance of Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So we are going there now.
Yes.
So steadily. So this is a really famous place here in Taiwan. This is Changsha Memorial Hall. It is a why is this place famous, you know? This is the place where they used to protest before Taiwan got its democratic republic.
अभी बढ़ा ना?
This is from the up front. Now we are gonna go inside. Let's explore.
एक पूरी जाड़ो। जाड़े?
Now we are leaving from the Memorial Hall and going towards an Indian restaurant to have our lunch. चार किलोमीटर साइकिल चला लिया और कितना किलोमीटर दूर है? 101।
सामने सामने 101।
So as you guys can see, I've reached Taipei 101. This looks really amazing. So this is the Taipei World Trade Center. It is right next to Taipei 101. This was the world's tallest structure before the Burj Khalifa. Once it was the world's largest building. This is inside the Taipei 101 mall. So from here we have to go up towards the observatory. So we have come to buy the tickets for the 101. So the price is 600 for normal and for student it is 540. So now we just bought our tickets. So what do you think? How is the experience gonna be?
Very good, very good. Let's cross our fingers and say it's going to be very good.
Sheshe. So I think we are taking a souvenir photo. This is the model of the high-speed elevator. In 37 seconds we reached there. This is the 89th floor. भाई दुनिया अचानक बहुत छोटी लग रही है ना. In 34 seconds, we reached from the 4th floor to the 89th floor. So 84 floors in 34 seconds. It was really quick, and the view from the top is really good. It's breathtaking. As you guys can see, here there's a telescope to zoom out and see. I'm gonna try it in a bit. So as you guys can see, the full zoomed out view we can see. That's the same view which he's seeing, and it is only $20. That's in around Indian 60 rupees. Now you can see the whole city, but the thing I can see is traffic.
Where's the traffic?
See, there's a traffic jam only.
No, it's not a jam. People are going slow.
So, Prerit, what do you think? How is the experience?
Thank you, Suzanne, for buying me this. Just kidding.
This is all on the floor of 101 itself. So, it has an observatory of around 4,400 square feet, and the whole view is intact. And as you guys can see, there's a mountain here. So this is in between the 101 building.
यहाँ से देख ये वाली फोटो ऐसे देख ऐसे.
इधर देख तू. So as you guys can see, I think it's not visible, but it's drizzling right now. And there, as I showed in the video before, that is a wind damper. So it is a wind damper that helps in keeping the building. What is it?
Tune mass dam. So when the wind current is strong, the building will not.
Because no turbulence.
Keep it safe from the earthquake.
Arigatou gozaimasu. तो मेरे भाई लोग कैसा लगा, कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस? व्यू लाजवाब था. अच्छा था. मुझे सबसे भयंकर इनका लिफ्ट लगा भाई. 30 सेकंड में 90 फ्लोर्स. अमाशतो हाँ यहाँ छा या कतो असासा. So now we have taken the MRT to go towards our hotel.
Whatever he is saying is correct.
So our hotel room is 350 meters from here. So it's like this is a full market. This is Zhengdiang Night Street. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe.